Ciao. Привет. Jesse, kako si? You can't laugh, Asya. Ciao. Šta ima? Dobrodošli. Oh Lord, it's getting hot in here. Dobrodošli. You can't. Ciao. Dobar dan. Kako si? Šta ima? I don't know. Ciao. Dobrodošli na moj kanal. Pretplatite se. U današnjem video ćete vidjeti mene kako ste sramotin. I pričam pazonski jezik. What did I say?
Hi guys, welcome to my new video. As you see, I have my husband today joining me as a special guest.
Hi.
His name is Sam.
That's my name.
So, we're gonna actually show you today how much Bosnian Sam can speak.
No.
We're
Today, I want to learn some Bosnian phrases for our upcoming trip to Bosnia. So, I have a couple in mind that I want to learn, but my Bosnian's not coming as quick as I would like, so I need to nail these phrases.
Dakle, on je rekao, ja ću da prevedem. On je rekao da hoće da danas nauči par riječi na bosanskom, jer uskoro dolazimo u Bosnu, tako da je on uzbuđen pa želi da nauči što više.
Cool. Okay. How do you say, I'm going to take your cevapi? Like, I want to steal all of your cevapi.
Želim ukrasti.
Jelly mukrusty.
Ukrasti.
Jelly ukrasti. Very crusty. Želim ukrasti sve tvoje cevape.
Želim ukrasti sve tvoje ćevape.
Želim ukrasti cevapi.
Ako da čujete neke šapice, to je Cuko hoda okolo.
You're gonna sit right here, huh?
Hi, puppy.
Hey!
Hi.
What's up? Jeremy likes crusty wet cevapi. Coming here for your cevapi, Bosnia, all of it. Oh, I want to learn how to tell people, stop singing so loud. You guys all sing way too loud. Especially after like lots of beers, like 2 glasses of wine, and you are just belting out Bosnian songs. Stop singing. Please stop. Yeah. Ne pjevaj glasno. Ne pjevaj glasno. Number 3.
Number 3.
I want to know how to say, please no more rakia. Too much rakia. Ne sipaj više.
Ne sipaj.
Ne sipaj
Više.
više.
Ne sipaj više.
Ne sipaj više. Ne sipaj piše rakia.
4. Ili ci ga 4.
Okay. I need to be able to tell people that wet hair won't kill me. Including you.
Propuh. It's serious though.
It's not. It won't kill me all my life. I'm still here.
Like this.
That's absolutely ridiculous.
What did you say?
Prapu unubia. Prapu neubia. Proper Namibia. Prapu unubia. I think I've forgotten all 3
you
so
have
far.
to tell them, what is your name?
Sam.
Ja se zovem Sam.
Moja mala budala.
Prvi put kad je Sam dolazio u Bosnu, ukucao je most common words in Bosnia, or how did you say?
Yeah, I googled the most common words in Bosnia, and one of the ones that I didn't memorize, but I actually found very helpful to know, especially while like shooting video in Bosnia and like looking for cool locations, is I need to find out which fields still have mines in them. So I'd like to be able to ask someone, excuse me, are there mines in this minefield? And that actually was one of the suggestions on the website. Are there mines in this field?
Ima li mina
Imali mina?
u ovom polju?
Ooh, what? Uavam pollo. I'm Spanish, that's Spanish. Muchos dobro. Uavam pollo.
Polju.
Polu. What are you doing with your mouth? Polju.
Yeah.
Polju.
Ja, ima li mina
Mali mina
u ovom polju?
u ovom polju.
There you go.
Polju. U ovom polju.
Okay, let's tell them what you know.
No, please don't.
Da li su od crnca?
Da li su zrnica?
Crna krvna zrnca.
Neka crnica.
Da li su od crnca crna krvna zrnca?
Zabrani biti crnica.
Sam, what do you like the most about Bosnia?
Women. Nailed that one. Sorry.
Question number 2. What's your favorite food in Bosnia?
Mrakia.
Food.
Mrakia.
What is your favorite song in Bosnia?
It's called Sandals. It's a song all about sandals
How-
by Otis
Škajo.
Skadio,
The name of the song is Za nas.
which is how you say sandals in Bosnian.
And how you sing?
Sandals, sandals,
Ja sam spreman život dati.
sandals. It's a good song.
It's amazing.
Personally, I loved Bosnia. I ate a lot of food. I saw a lot of waterfalls and beautiful mountains. I drank a lot of rakia and coffee. And I saw a lot of castles. That was pretty much my sum of a Bosnia. No, it was actually really epic. I got to do some amazing filmmaking stuff over there and really get to explore it in a totally different dimension, which was awesome. Ja ne vjerujem svimo, ali me Asija natjela. Moja mala budala. Jebem Jedi, dragi dogovari, hvala vam što ste gledali današnji video. I ne zaboravite da se pretplatite. Ako vam se sviđa Asija i želite i dalje da je gledate, ja ne želim. Ali lajkujte ovaj video jer sam se dovoljno ostromotio za danas. Vidimo se.